right, C5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Actual mile car, just a little over 71,000 on it. Sebring silver, ebony interior. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. Polished wheels, Michelin radials. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, chips, scratches. Black fabric top, and I will show you how that folds up towards the end of the video. Simple for one person to do it. Also show it folding back up. Bucket seats, bucket leather seats, I should say. Center console for that automatic shifter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little different exhaust tip there. Nice looking Corvette logos on the top of it. You'll be able to see the undersides if you want to check out the exhaust and underside in the still pics, and those are at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Of course, we always like that. You can see the nose cone or front fascia not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Same with the hood. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or if you just want to go for a cruise with the top down. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Nicely equipped heads-up display, driver's information center, Bose stereo system, power driver's seat over here. Of course, power windows, power locks, memory seating. Take a look at the ebony or black leather interior. Of course, you're going to have your just kind of natural wrinkling of the hide with the leather seats. Of course, tilt column. Dual electronic climate control. Let's fire it up. Let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. We'll also check those headlights out. All right, so miles, 71,990. There's your heads-up display. You can see is working. Again, electronic dual climate control. Stereo head working also. Bose system. Dash in good shape. No check engine light, service engine light, anything like that. No warnings. And how about those headlights quick? Headlights working order. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice sounding car. Check out this engine bay. All right, kind of a custom hood liner there with the C5 logo and model year over on the right, 2000. There it is, 5.7 liter LS. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Looks good, sounds good underneath there. Like a little bit of a cold air intake. See a little different filter and intake to it. Looks like an AFE power adder, cold air intake. All right, tell you what, let me button this hood back up. I'm going to show you that top and how it folds up out from underneath that tonneau cover. We'll check out the condition of that. Stick around to the very end. We'll take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here it is with the top up. As you could see, very simple to fold up, one person manually. Just as easy to put down, and I'll show you that too. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Black fabric top. Rolled up the side glass so you can see how that fits. Nice tight fit. Rear glass window with electronic defog. Nice fit down along the body. Free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. It appears that this top has probably spent more life folded down than it has up, which is pretty common if you're gonna have a Corvette convertible. And again, nice fit above the windshield. Remember, stick around to the very end of the video. You'll see how this car drives down the road. Take you for a virtual ride if you will. Real quick, I'll show you how it folds down before that. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 Chevrolet Corvette. This car in silver with an automatic transmission. Black interior, black leather bucket seats, looking very good. Comfortable to sit and have some fun. Because who doesn't have fun driving a Corvette? This is a convertible and we do have the top up today. Our battery gauge is showing 14 volts. The gas tank is showing over half. Oil pressure about 45 psi and the temperature approaching 180. Stereo sounds great. Stock appearing stereo. Very nice condition Corvette. When they work as they should, what can you say? They're a Corvette. They handle great, they accelerate great, they're comfortable. plenty of legroom, plenty of headroom. Corners amazingly flat, as most Corvettes do, especially newer ones, I'd say, like this. And automatic makes it so easy to drive. Just put your foot down and don't put it down too long or you'll get a speeding ticket. But great fun to drive. 2000 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.